Dear students, how are you? In this video, I would like to tell you about the writing tips and strategies for uh, CBSE Class 12 History and Political Science subjective questions. Now the examination is probably going to be held in May, so you must be preparing very hard. But one thing you should know always, that if you know how to write an effective answer in exam hall, that will make you stand out in the crowd and you will get the highest marks possible. Many students aspire for 90% and more, even more than 95% or even 97, 98, 99%. But they don't know at the end of the day, it is not that how well you have studied, how well you have prepared, how much knowledge you have, what actually um, is important, that how well you have written an answer to a particular question. If you have understood any question, then the more important thing is that how well you write an answer to that question. And writing an answer in arts paper, in humanities paper, is itself an art which is developed by writing more and more answers. First, you should, my tips are for writing an effective answer. These are as following. First, you should write an introduction of any question, but not all questions, but I mean to say 8 marks questions in history or Pol Science questions, 6 marks Pol Science questions. Writing a short intro, in that you can tell what you are going to write, what you are going to give in your answer, the content part. So that will be your intro. Don't start answer right away. First, give an intro that how you are going to attempt that question. After that, body part. In body part, divide your answers in short paragraphs, and each paragraph should be starting with a subhead. Suppose if you are writing about administration in Mughal Empire, so if you write that there was Mansabdari system in a short paragraph, then you should write subhead Mansabdari system. If next paragraph you are going to write, then use next or another subhead. In one paragraph you should write one idea. So that is how you will divide your body part into several short paragraphs. Each paragraph should be denoted by a subhead. Now, third part of the answer, that is conclusion part. In conclusion part, you should write overall the summary of that question, of that answer. It's a sum up of your answer. And last but not the least, write an insight to your answer. Add something meaningful to your answer. So your answer should consist 3 parts. Number 1, that is intro. Number 2, that is body part. And number 3, that is conclusion part. So intro, body and conclusion. That is how you should write, and your subheads should be underlined. If you are writing in blue, should be underlined with black pen. So when examiner is in hurry checking your answer, he will get all the points quickly and he will be pleased and he will give you marks. So that is the trick to take marks out of his examiner's like pocket pen. So that is how he will award you more marks. So take care of all these things and best of luck for your exam. Now, important questions you must be looking for, like where can I get objective questions, that is also very important, as well as subjective questions for history as well as political science. So please note down, I am also writing a blog, that is myinswingers.blogspot.com. If you search for this with this URL, you will find my blog, and here I will provide you the relevant questions, important questions, and even answers also. So please do visit this blog site of which I have prepared recently, and this blog site I will mention even in my comment box, so you can click there to reach my blog site. Any query, anything, you can ask in comment section. And please do like my video, subscribe my video, because I am making these videos for you students only. My only thing is that you score better in your examination hall. And please don't underestimate class 12 exam. You don't know, later on everywhere your class 12 marks will be important, and they will judge you on your class 12 marks. It may happen. So please be serious and study well. Best of luck for your exam.